Struggling with patchy shaves every morning? Annoyed by missed spots on your jawline? Sensitive skin always gets irritated after shaving? Tired of spending extra time for a close shave? Your old shaver just can't handle tricky contours. Wish you could customize your shave for your skin? Wet or dry, your routine feels inconvenient and slow. Introducing the Braun Series 77120's electric shaver. Engineered for men who demand precision and comfort. The 360-degree flex head adapts to every facial contour. No more missed spots, even in hard-to-reach areas. 5 flexible blades glide smoothly, protecting your skin. Choose Turbo mode for a super-fast close shave. Gentle mode is perfect for sensitive skin days. Standard mode gives you a balanced everyday shave. AutoSense technology adjusts power to your beard density. Get a tailored shave every single time. Waterproof design. Use it wet or dry, your choice. Shave in the shower or at the sink, no worries. Long-lasting battery, up to 60 minutes cordless use. Gentle mode extends battery life by 18%. Easy click attachments for precision trimming and styling. Professional results right at home. Ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand. Made in Germany, quality you can trust. Built to last, ready for daily use. Let's see the difference before and after. Before, uneven stubble, irritated skin, wasted time. After, smooth, close shave, comfortable skin, quick routine. Before, struggling with jawline and chin contours. After 360 degrees, flex head adapts effortlessly to every angle. Before, shaving feels rough and uncomfortable. After, gentle, customized shave for sensitive skin. Before, switching tools for trimming and styling. After, easy click attachments handle all grooming needs. Before, battery runs out mid-shave. After, up to 60 minutes cordless use always ready. Before, worried about water damage. After, 100% waterproof, shave anywhere, anytime. Before, tired hands from bulky shavers. After, ergonomic grip for effortless control. Before, inconsistent results, daily frustration. After, consistent professional finish every morning. Before, beard density causes uneven shave. After, AutoSense tech delivers even results every time. Before, limited shave modes, no customization. After, 3 modes for every skin and style need. Before, shaving feels like a chore. After, quick, comfortable, enjoyable grooming routine. Before, cheap shavers break easily. After, German engineering ensures durability. Before, messy bathroom, multiple devices. After, all-in-one solution, tidy and efficient. Before, travel means leaving your shaver behind. After, travel pouch keeps everything organized. Before, irritation after every shave. After, gentle blades protect your skin. Before, slow mornings, rushed shaves. After, turbo mode speeds up your routine. Before, hard-to-reach areas always missed. After, 360-degree flex head covers every contour. Before, never satisfied with the finish. After, flawless, smooth results every time. Upgrade your grooming game with Braun Series 77120's. Precision, comfort, and speed, all in one shaver. Perfect for men, sensitive skin users, and enthusiasts. Enjoy wet or dry shaving wherever you prefer. Customize your shave for every skin type. Experience quality, durability, and professional results. Ready for a close shave faster than ever? Make the switch to Braun Series 7 today. Click the link, upgrade your daily routine. Say goodbye to frustration. Hello to flawless grooming. Braun Series 77120's, the smarter way to shave. Order now and experience the difference yourself. Your best shave starts here. Don't wait. Braun Series 77120's, precision, comfort, speed. Get yours today and transform your mornings.